Greetings, Bermuda. This is Dr. Carika Weldon of the Marina Principles Foundation, which is under the Bermuda Community Foundation. I was inspired to start this foundation about 2.5 years ago, just when I finished my PhD. I was watching a documentary on the history of genetics, and in the last 10 minutes, I heard Bermuda. As a proud Bermudian, I was confused and surprised and shocked all at the same time. So I rewound the documentary, listened again, and it did say Bermuda. To my surprise, they were talking about a document that was written up in 1996 in Bermuda called the Marina Principles. This document was written to agree that everyone that worked on the Human Genome Project would share all their data that they were generating for free in the public domain within 24 hours of finding the data. This document became the standard for data sharing, not just in genetics, but in other fields. Being a proud Bermudian and being a geneticist myself, I was very, very excited to hear about this. And so I decided I should do something to commemorate this finding. And so I decided to start the foundation, and the first main goal was to have an international science conference that commemorated that conference that was in 1996. And so that is what we do. At the minute, it's all about getting international scientists into Bermuda so that our youth can have access to real scientists and professors, and also so that we can use that as a way to incite excitement about science in our youth. What we have planned for the future is our 3rd annual science conference, which is in February 2019, and we have a focus on diabetes. And so we're really excited that we will be having international, and we want to have local companies and charities who work on diabetes to come and join us in that conference. We will also be hoping to have at least 50 international scientists come down so that they can share their latest research in the field of different diseases, including diabetes and cancer. What we want to do down the line is make sure that there is a science culture in Bermuda. Growing up in Bermuda, there was nothing that I could say, oh, that makes me want to go into scientific research. And so as a scientist, my job is to make sure that the next generation has that inspiration. And so my encouragement to any young person out there is, do not belittle what you have to offer. You might be one person, but you are the person, you are the man, you're the woman to get the job done. And it doesn't matter what comes your way, you can always adapt and adjust and make sure that you still reach that goal. If you get to your goal a little bit later than you expected, it's okay, as long as you get there. And I just want to say, remember, young people, you are the youth today and the leaders of tomorrow. Generation next.